Hi guys, so let us talk about most awaited topic, which is like a chat GPT. What do you mean by chat GPT? How it works? We will talk about all of this. How it used to as an changes to the around the world. So coming to this, chat GPT, which is predefined word, which is like a chat generative pre-trained transformer, which means it is used to an a machine which is based on Open AI, which means artificial intelligence. It worked on that particular Open AI intelligence. It will be developed and pre-trained transformer to use. So that GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. So in the month of November, it was launched in 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's and GPT-3 family of large language models. So coming to this, it is like an approach to transfer learning models like both supervised learning and duration to the learning techniques, which means that chat GPT was like it is able to pre-trained and a supervised technology was used on basis of OpenAI GPT technology family of this particular language. So coming to this, a prototype which is November 30th in 2022, the chat GPT was launched. It is like a huge demand and huge number of users are subscribed for this chat GPT, which gives an like exact answers whenever we entered a query. It given an exact. Let's talk about chat GPT founder, who was Nitin Raj, CEO and co-founder of Riverum, says that in coming days, he's saying that in coming days we can expect an AI technology will be in reality. But in some cases, in reality, that is an error-free perfect chat GPT will be a still long way off. Have to decide for the technology of AI. So he also says that in particular AI technology advancing at rapid pace and still limited in its ability to understand for hours response, which means response AI technology will be able to understand our feelings and human emotions, and like which is necessary to be considered for the truly intelligent of AI artificial intelligence of chatbot. So coming few development stages, chat GPT has many huge amount of changes will be developed, and it also has support to internet connection also. So it will response at a huge amounts of data and replies that particular data only. Already pre-trained data will be answered by us. After a few developments, it will be also response accurately for the human emotions also. So it this requires not just data, it also a time and trying to properly for train the system to recognize a particular interpret emotional context of human emotions. In addition that it is like an exact type of data is needed, so that making to predict that it is very hard to predict for the human perfect of human emotions, and it will be trained by the system of level of perfect GPT, and AI technology will become a more advanced, and it will be able to better understand to react to human emotions. We are still a long path off from creating a perfect GPT. So that he says that like a particular emotions of humans are will be understand by the AI technology will be an particular hard to train, but it will be worked for a particular sense of trained. So ChatGPT will be Uses of how to use an chat gpt will be find that will be experimenting with it. Any answers you will are able to ask for the chat gpt. First of all, you have to register for that particular chat gpt official website. After sign up, you will log in into your account, and you will be able to ask any questions related to for your user users, so that it will be gives an exact questions and exact answers related to that particular query. So that it has an experiment with the particular writing of test cases. It will be ChatGPT competent at writing unit tests, and it's low risk to get test cases from the model. They will also simplify that fail they are clearly or incorrectly formulated. It's not testing. It's also used for particular cases. It is also related, but that particular chart GPT is required to use a natural language processing, which means it will be able to working on a natural language process NLP, such as text generations, which means whenever you ask a query, that query will be divided into an text generations or text codes, so that particular each of codes are will be language translation and language understanding, which is called natural language processing. So that text generation for creative writing and content writers or content creators, it will be developed for the huge demand for that particular content creation creative creators also. So chatbot development also will be helping on for the customer services like an e-commerce and services, as well as other industries as well. And language based search and information retrieval also it will be used, and language modeling of our speech recognition, automated summarization and automated text summarization also, and the text speech and speech recognition also, it will be helping for that particular huge demand on particular ways of benefit from chat gpt. So these are all about an huge demands and useful of particular chat gpt will be demand on huge of worldwide. So this is all about the chat gpt usefulness, and in coming few updates it will be updated. Thank you guys. Thank you.